Buying gift cards on Afterpay is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Log into your Afterpay account and ensure it's verified with accurate details like your phone number, address, and bank card information. To purchase a gift card, use the search bar to find your desired gift card. You'll find various options. Click on one to view the details. For retailers interested in using this tool, there's a separate option. If you prefer, you can download the Afterpay app instead of using the web version. Review the tool's details or terms manually. Use the search bar to find your desired gift card. For example, search for Walmart. A new window will open with available gift cards. When you choose a gift card, you'll see the option to pay with Afterpay, usually with multiple installments. If you need more information, click the relevant button. You have two options, buying for yourself or sending it to a friend. If sending it to a friend, enter their name and email, confirm the email, and add a message. Optionally, provide your name, last name, and email. Click Confirm to complete the purchase. That's how you can buy a gift card from Afterpay.